In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Figma file to a PSD in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and efficient, perfect for anyone needing to transition their design work from Figma to Photoshop. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool we all know and love. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in with your Figma credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your home page. This is where you can access all your recent and shared files, making it easy to find the project you're working on. Now it's time to locate the specific design you want to convert to a PSD. Click on the Design tab to open up your design workspace. From here, take a glance at the layout and confirm that everything looks as it should. Double checking your design at this point can save you time later on. Next, head up to the main menu in the top left corner of the Figma interface. This menu is your gateway to many useful options. Once you're in the main menu, navigate down to the File option and click on it. This action will bring up a drop-down list of file-related commands. From this list, select Export Frames to PDF. This is a crucial step, as exporting your frames as a PDF maintains the quality and integrity of your design. Remember, this export step essentially packages your design in a format that's easy for Photoshop to interpret. After exporting your frames to PDF, the next step is to open this exported PDF using Adobe Photoshop. Once you have the file open in Photoshop, you may notice that Photoshop automatically processes the layers from the PDF. This feature is quite handy as it preserves your design's layered structure, which is essential for further editing and tweaks. The final step in this conversion process is to save this file as a PSD. To do this, simply go to the File menu in Photoshop, choose Save As, and select the PSD format from the list. Naming your file appropriately can also help you keep things organized. Make sure to save it in a location that you can easily access later, and there you have it. You've successfully converted your Figma design into a PSD file ready for use in Photoshop. With this method, you can efficiently transfer any of your design work between these two powerful platforms, keeping your options open for further creativity and collaboration. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your design workflow.